Hey folks, the Mad Hatter, back at it again. This time, we're cleaning a grill. A client contracted us to restore their built-in Fire Magic grill. There's nothing wrong with it. It just needs a thorough cleaning. I mean, just look at the thing. We start by removing all the internal components, giving them a much-needed cleaning. These brushes blast through built-on gunk to make your grill look like new. No part of the grill goes unclean, including the burner. After cleaning the internal components, we're back inside with a similar approach. First, we vacuum the charred bits, then hit it with the spray cleaner to cut through the years of grease. Our heavy-duty brushes make quick work of that grease. Can't forget the vent hood. That's part of the grill too. Some finishing wipes and we're just about done. And there you go. The restoration is complete. In addition to our grill restoration service, we can replace any components that are worn out or non-functioning. Yes, this is the same grill. Don't believe us? Here's some before and after photos.